Hajat CAI lembur in Parakan Salam Village, Andasutisna Street, Nyalindung, Cipatat, West Bandung, Regency. Hajat CAI lembur is a cultural archive of the past that is written in Minister of Education and Cultural Regulation number 105 of 2013 concerning the recording of Indonesia's intangible cultural heritage. This ritual is celebrated every year on the 21st of June as the day of Hajat CAI lembur, which lasted for generations. The originators of this tradition are Mbah Dalam Jagat Sakti, Mama Idris, and other figures. This tradition has been preserved until now by their children and grandchildren in Parakan Salam village. The event began with the carrying of water in the lodong by Pesilat. The water was taken from 7 springs, namely Cikahuripan, Ciasihan, Cikarahayuan, Cikalanggangan, Cikamulayaan, Cikadugalan, and Cikawangian. They brought the water and put it into something called gentong. After they collect the water, the customary leader starts praying above the water by pleading to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala so that the people in the village are given safety, fortune, blessings, and prosperity. After that, Mr. Hernandi, the head of the Culture Development Section, Mr. Ayeb, the sub-district head, and the chief of the village, Mr. Oo Supriyatna, put a mark on each of the head of Pasilat and splashing the water to everyone around them. Once finished, the citizen went to the street to implement one of the rituals called Prang Cai. The event ended with entertainment and people are eating together as a sense of gratitude for the pleasure given by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Haris Dirgantara, Karimaca, West Bandung.